Hello, Julie here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Now, I'm going to do a flip through of this journal today, and it will be available in both my Etsy and my Ko-fi store for sale. So if you're interested, I'll put links in the description box so you can pop over and check it out. Okay, so we have a wraparound cover. The cover is made of a layer of this beautiful fabric, which is in my Etsy store, and then it has a layer of 300 GSM watercolor paper, and then a layer of another fabric. So it's a nice sturdy but nice soft cover, feels lovely. And this fabric here is a very sturdy fabric, so it'll wear well. I have, for the closure, I've used coffee dyed seam binding, and this is a wraparound closure. There's plenty of room here for expansion, and on the cover I've got some lace, 2 layers of lace there with some embellishments on top. I've got a couple of tags, bit of cheesecloth, a fussy cut, a chipboard flower, and a little label there. Now, I'll give you the size. Get my ruler out. So it is 9 1/8, so 9 inches near enough, and it is about 6.5 to 6 3/4 inches wide, probably 6 3/4 inches wide. So that's the size of the actual cover. The pages inside are a little different size, so we'll have a look at that now. So you can see here the fabric on the inside is a muted fabric. It's a cotton fabric, and it's got a bit of glitter in it. I don't know whether you can see that through there or not, but it's got a little bit of glitter in it. So let's have a look. Let's start from the start. Inside cover we have a lace pocket. Now, instead of just having lace there, I've actually attached the lace to a piece of cardstock, cream coloured cardstock, so it's a bit sturdier and things don't slip in and out. I've got a couple of tags in here as well. Now, every tag and journaling card in here is backed with coffee dyed paper. Everything is stitched around, including the pages. I don't know whether you can see that. That might be a bit better. So all of the pages are stitched around. Everything's backed with coffee dyed paper, and we've got fibres throughout. Now, on here we've got a shipping tag, a bit of cheesecloth, and a chipboard flower. There's plenty of room in here for writing. I've got a printed page from the digital kit. I've used Sunflowers and Doors, Sunflowers and Labradors digital kit, so it's a bit confusing there. The name of the kit is Sunflowers and Labradors, and the people that have it are called Sunflowers and Doors, and I'll put a link to them in the description box. Well, I'll put a link to this kit in the description box. So I've got a page from the digital kit, and then I've got a coffee dyed page, and these are A4 sheets folded in halves, stitched around. Some have got stamps on, some are plain, some are all sorts of different things. These coffee dyed pages are available in my Etsy and Ko-fi shops, so I'll put links to those in the description box. This is a envelope that opens out. It's got space in there. I have got a little envelope here. It's a glassine envelope that's been coffee dyed, and in there I've put lots of little embellishments that go with this kit. You can see I've fussy cut them all, and I'm going to just pop that in there so that whoever wants to use this journal will have a few little embellishments to place wherever they think they would like to have them. So I'll just pop that in there. I've got this tab here keeps the envelope closed. The same thing on the back, so this opens out and we've got a pocket there. I haven't got anything in these pockets because I thought I'd leave a bit of space for the new owner to put their own things in. And we've got a journaling card in that little pocket there. So then we've got, this is a coffee dyed digital of mine, and I've just printed that on the back of this page. This is a coffee dyed doily. This is from the kit. I thought that was really nice. That would be great to write on. So as I said, there's plenty of writing space in here. I skipped a page there, so that's the one with the clipboard on it. Then we've got more writing space here. These pages, of course, you can put photos or anything like that that you want to. Now this is a cute little embellishment. So in here we've got a writing pad. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. And that closes over like that. That little tab keeps that closed. And in here we've got an envelope that you can put whatever you wish in, and that's into a pocket there. And then up here we have 2 more tags. They fit nicely in behind there, which is a top loading pocket. Writing space. Beautiful double page spread. So this is the centre of my first signature. Now this one here has got, to start with, a hidden pocket here. So that's a nice big journaling card in there. Then this opens out, and in here we have another pocket, and in there is a tag. Now in these pockets and things there's plenty of room for anything else that you might like to add. Journaling space. Now this one is a belly band, and behind our belly band we've got this file folder, and it is a pocket, and in the pocket, there we go, we've got this journaling tag, and that fits in there. I don't know why I made such hard work of getting that out. And of course we've got journaling spot on the back, and the belly band is actually a little hidden pocket, and that has a journaling card in it with a little dangle on it, and that actually fits into the belly band. So they sit in there, and the little card in the belly band sits flush, and only the tag pops out. I've included another one of those chipboard flowers there. I've put some stamping throughout, just here and there, not in a regular basis. Here's the other side of that doily. Here's the other side of the envelope embellishment. So there's plenty of room in there. This one's got a journaling card in between the 2 envelopes. Now I have left the strings or the threads on these from when I do the sewing. Everything in here has been stitched around and inked around. If you don't like the threads, by all means cut them off. It doesn't affect the construction of the journal at all. So here's another one of those envelopes. If you want to see more detail about how this was put together, I will put a link to a playlist in the description box that shows everything of how I made this if you want to have a look. So now we're starting on our second signature. We've got another one of these same pocket things, 2 envelopes making a pocket, and that is stitched into your journal like as part of your signature. So yeah, another bit stamped there. Some beautiful pages. Now this one is a slip pocket page. So we've got 2 slip pockets here, and so that I could stop the pocket from, the tag from falling down, I've put these on there with a eyelet, so that stops that going any further. Same for that one. This one stops because, of this, the bottom of the page, but this one would have disappeared if I hadn't have put that on there. And we've just got a bit of embellishment there. It's a beautiful, beautiful image with the bee. Now we've got a doily in this one as well. Now this is another little embellishment. It's closed with a Velcro dot, and it opens out. We've got a little scrappy pad here, and we've got under there's a pocket, and in that pocket is a journaling card. I'm going to put that in there a bit too soon when the glue wasn't quite dry. And then up here, in here, we've got 2 pockets, and we've got a journaling card there and 2 little tags here, and the same here. So we've got a tag here with some journaling on the back, and we've got the 2 smaller tags here. And as I said, that closes with a Velcro dot. And we've reached the centre of this page, this signature. I bound this with some, what's that called, twine, that's got a gold thread going through it. That's quite pretty. This is just your standard pocket. I've got a check ticket, a tag, and a postcard in there. On here we've got a little tag, or a check ticket and a tag and a little charm, which creates a tuck spot, and I've just tucked a little ticket in there as well. So you can do either way with that, but I thought we'd have the pretty flowers out showing like that. More journaling space. Journaling space. I just love that hat image. I think it's beautiful, but you can write over the top of that, no problem at all. Stamp. The other end of the envelope embellishment. Once again, these envelopes are empty, so you can put whatever you like. They're ideal for photos and things like that. And here we have another one of those flip outs, and we've got a tag in the back, and oh, that's right, this goes in there. So this is another pocket, and it's got a journaling card in it, or actually it's a postcard, and then that goes in that pocket like so. Then we come to the last page, the back cover. So in there we've got a postcard and a tag, both of which are backed with coffee dyed paper, ready to write on. So the actual pages in here are 8 1/4, because I've used an A4 sheet of paper, and 5 3/4. So 8 1/4 by 5 3/4. Okay, and you can get a good look there of the fabric that's on the inside cover. Hopefully you can see that. Just a little touch of a sparkle. Okay, so that's a quick flip through of my journal. As I said, this journal will be in my Etsy and Ko-fi shop for sale as of right now. So if you're interested, pop on over. I will also put links to the digital kit that I've used throughout. So there we go. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, I'd love it if you would give me a thumbs up. And I hope you can join me for my next video. Okay, bye.